This is a song produced by farmers.
Yeah, and made by farmers, not produced.
Okay,
This is called the Math song.
Math.
Math song.
Why math? Why math? Why math?
Why math?
1, 2, 3, go! One day in the Tuesday classroom, Miss Kapoyan was wearing green. She gave a problem which was labeled and so stuck it in the brain. Then she asked what X plus Y, but we answered letter Z. She got really mad at us. Then she said, "Don't be quiet!" One, two, three, go! Then she said, "To be quiet." Why math? Why is it really hard? Why math? We know it's important. We need it in our daily lives. If we don't, we will all die. Let's learn math. Let's learn math right now. Now. Now.
Farmers have a friendly message for all of you.
Including Martians and aliens.
Shut up.
Mathematics may not teach you how to pronounce words correctly. It may not nor teach you how to classify animals according to where they live, but it also gives us a point to remember that every problem has a solution.
Okay, that's all for now. Okay.
From farmers.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, about math. 1, 2, 3, go!